Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017, which goes thus. Which of the following is not a consequence of hydrogen bubbles covering the copper plate of a primary cell? First, let us acknowledge the fact that the formation of hydrogen bubbles on the copper plate is another name that is given to the process called polarization. Okay, and when this hydrogen bubbles covers the copper plate, it weakens the current. That is, the current quickly fades to a very small value. An hydrogen layer weakens the current for two reasons. One is that the hydrogen layer set up a back EMF in the cell in opposition to that due to the copper and zinc. Then secondly, the gas partially insulates the plate. Okay, and so increases the internal resistance of the cell. Okay, so let us go now to the question on the answer option again. So answer option A says local action. Local action must not be confused with polarization. Okay, good. So this is not a consequence of hydrogen bubbles that is covering the copper plate. Okay, this should be the answer, but let's check the other answer options. Polarization, yes, is a consequence of hydrogen bubbles covering the copper plate. All right. Option C, increase in resistance of the cell. Yes, we just mentioned that now, that it increases the internal resistance of the cell. So this is a consequence of hydrogen bubbles covering the copper plate. Okay. Option D, generation of less current by the cell. Yes, we mentioned that it weakens the current, thereby current quickly fades to a very small value. Alright, so this is also a consequence of hydrogen bubbles covering the cover plate of a primary cell or simple cell. So answer option A is not an option, so option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.